Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a desktop wallpaper in Canva. So a desktop wallpaper is a wallpaper that you can uh, put in here like this, and I'm going to show you how to make that in Canva. So what you need to do is open your Canva, and then in the search column here you can just type in desktop. Oops. Okay, so desktop wallpaper here, click on that, and the template result will be show up in here. Okay, so well, you can just choose one of them that is fits your style or fits your needs the most. For example, I want to just choose okay, for example, I want to choose this one, stay groovy. Click on a template and it will automatically open. So you can just go with how it is, or you can also change the color if you like the color, the font, or also the background. You can just change it, but if you're satisfied with this, you can just click on share and then click on download and just download this wallpaper and set this picture as your wallpaper. I'm going to open it first, and then I'm going to make it as the wallpaper or as my desktop wallpaper. Let's see the result. Yeah, so that is so easy how you can make a desktop wallpaper in Canva. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next videos.